Want to use the activity app on your Apple Watch? By using this, you can track your move, exercise, and stand goals throughout the day. In this video, I'll show you how to use the activity app on your Apple Watch. So, let's begin. Open up the activity app on your Apple Watch. It is a 3-colored rings icon. After opening this app, it will show you 3 rings. Red color tracks the active calories you've burned. Green color tracks your exercise that you've done. And blue color tracks how many times you stood. After that, swipe up to get a detailed overview of your daily activities, including steps, distance, and flights climbed. And that's for today. This is how you can use the activity app in your Apple Watch. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Goodbye.